Hi everyone. So in today's video you are going to see how to use the solid ring tool, and also it is called hot stone fixing tool. So you can see stones with the glue at back side. So using this tool you can fix that stones very easily. Let's see what is that tool, and we'll see how to use that tool. So this is called a solid ring tool. I have fixed and I have on. Let it heat for some time. And for solid ring tool you'll get different kind of dials like this. For different you'll get different kind of dials like this for different size of beads. This tool is used to fix the stones or stud like this. This is called stud, this is not called stones, and this is called polygamy. And these kind of stones will have a backside glue. So how to fix this? So using the solid ring tool you can fix this directly to the dress whatever you are making. And this stud will be available in different shapes, like you can see here, heart shape, star shape, like this. I'll show you how to stick this using solid ring. So yes, to check whether it is heated or not, what you can do is just take and keep like this in the corner. No, it's not at heater. It will take some time to heat. So in the corner or in any scrap fabric you can check. When you place like this it will burn. Like burn means it will melt. When it is melting then it means that it is heated. We'll wait for some time. So yes, the solid ring tool is heated up. Now let's see. So hold the bead like this. See, when you just place it like this you'll get a hole. Okay, so be careful when you are using this. Slowly hold the bead and place it in the place where you want. Just place it on top. So the gum at back side will get melt and stick to the place. So this one also, see, just I'm placing on top. So the gum will melt at back side and stick to the place. For example, if I need this in different place, just place it there in different place and just place this on top of the star. Okay, and if you want to do the cut work also you can use this one. See, slowly you have to use, very slowly you have to handle. So for example, if I want to cut and take this one out, so like this it will burn. And this white stones, okay, you can see it will not come out. It will stick very firmly, it will not come out. Okay, thank you.